Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to my favorite shop in Dubai day to day. This shop is having all the items that you need for your day to day activities. So let's go. This shop day to day is near to Burjuman metro station. It's walkable from metro station. See the beautiful plastic flowers and the green lawn. All the decor items you can get in this shop. So here you can see the beautiful showpieces, camel and the Burj Khalifa in 10.50 dirhams. That means around 215 rupees. So see this lovely Burj Khalifa. Here all the items are within a range of 1 dirham to 20 dirhams. This shop reminds me of the local market of Maharashtra region. If you guys belong to that region, you can relate to me. There is a separate section for kitchen utensils, and here it is a nicely handcrafted heat pad for dining table. I think it's a set of 3 or 4 for 3 dirhams. I love these plates. It's just in 2 dirhams. It's a deal actually. I have a tiffin box like this one. I bought this before. It's very nice. People who love shopping, especially women, definitely can spend 2 to 3 hours in this shop. So here I have done little bit of shopping. Hope you have enjoyed this vlog. Whenever you visit Dubai, do come here, and see you soon in my next vlog. Thank you for watching.